Have you ever noticed how an Audi can feel perfectly normal and reliable, and then suddenly confront you with an expensive repair that seems to come out of nowhere? Have you ever wondered why so many Audi owners say there was no warning, even though the car was technically working fine? And have you ever asked yourself why these repairs are often described as unavoidable or simply bad luck? There is one Audi system that most owners completely ignore because it never feels important. It does not trigger warning lights, it does not change how the car feels from one day to the next, and it does not look like something that could cost thousands of euros if overlooked. Yet ignoring this system quietly increases repair costs over time. This episode is not about engine power tuning or aggressive driving. It is about a hidden system that controls how multiple components age together inside your Audi. Modern Audi vehicles are not simple mechanical machines. They are complex electronic ecosystems where every major function depends on stable communication between control modules. Engine management, transmission logic, steering assistance, braking systems, and driver aids constantly exchange data. When that communication is clean and predictable, systems operate efficiently and with minimal stress. When it becomes unstable, even slightly, systems begin compensating. Compensation is designed to protect drivability, safety, and emissions compliance, not long-term durability. The car continues to feel smooth, refined, and controlled, which is why drivers assume everything is fine. Internally, however, multiple components begin operating outside their ideal efficiency window. This does not cause immediate failure, but it accelerates aging. Audi does not warn you because from a regulatory and safety standpoint, the vehicle is still operating within limits. Repair cost is not a trigger for alerts. This creates a gap between what the driver feels and what the systems are actually doing. Over time, this gap becomes expensive because compensation slowly replaces optimal operation as the new normal. The most dangerous aspect of this system is how quietly it works. There is no single moment where something breaks or suddenly feels wrong. Instead, the vehicle adapts to instability and slowly treats it as normal operation. Throttle response becomes slightly softer without feeling weak. Transmission behavior becomes slightly hesitant without feeling broken. Auxiliary systems reduce demand whenever possible to maintain smoothness. None of this feels dramatic. Over weeks and months, these small compensations accumulate. Actuators cycle more often. Sensors correct more frequently. Control modules work harder to preserve refinement. Because the change is gradual, the driver adapts without questioning it. What once felt sharp now feels normal. When a failure finally appears, it looks sudden and expensive. In reality, the conditions that caused it have been present for a long time. This is why so many Audi repairs feel disconnected from the real cause. The problem was never sudden. It was progressive, invisible, and reinforced by daily use. The system behind this escalation is electrical stability and communication integrity. Modern Audis rely on consistent voltage and clean signal exchange to coordinate all major functions. When voltage fluctuates or communication is delayed, systems respond defensively. They reduce demand, increase correction, and smooth behavior to avoid instability. The most common causes are everyday habits, not failures. Short trips that never fully recharge the battery, frequent cold starts, followed by quick shutdowns, and aging batteries that still start the car but no longer deliver stable voltage under load. These conditions are tolerated, not flagged. Over time, tolerance becomes permanent behavior. Control modules stop expecting ideal conditions and instead adapt to instability. This adaptation increases long-term wear across multiple systems, even during normal daily driving. Because everything still works, the driver never connects these habits to future repair costs. This is why expensive repairs often seem unrelated. A transmission issue may appear mechanical, but its root cause may be prolonged voltage instability. A throttle or sensor fault may be the final symptom of long-term communication correction. By the time a fault code appears, multiple systems have already aged faster together. This also explains why replacing individual components often does not permanently solve the problem. The environment that caused the failure remains unchanged. New components are installed into the same unstable system and immediately begin compensating again. Without restoring stability, the repair only resets the timeline, not the risk. This is why some Audi owners experience repeated issues across different systems. The failures are different, but the cause is the same.
instability never addressed early enough.
The good news is that this process can be interrupted without visiting a workshop or replacing expensive components. Awareness alone already changes outcomes. A basic OBD2 scanner is useful not to clear fault codes, but to observe patterns such as voltage behavior during startup system readiness states and consistency over time. When owners begin paying attention to these signals, they often realize their Audi has been compensating quietly for much longer than expected. Battery health plays a central role in this system. Modern Audis draw electrical power even when parked because control modules, infotainment, and security systems remain active. Short trips prevent full recharge, and over time low voltage becomes normal instead of exceptional. This is where many problems begin without being recognized. Using a smart battery charger during idle periods restores electrical stability and reduces unnecessary compensation during the most sensitive phases of operation, such as cold starts. When disconnecting the battery or performing basic maintenance, preserving learned system data with a memory saver prevents control modules from relearning behavior under unstable conditions. These tools do not modify the vehicle, and they do not increase performance. They simply remove hidden stress factors that silently drive repair costs higher and shorten component lifespan.
As electrical and communication stability improves, changes appear gradually rather than all at once. Throttle response becomes consistent instead of unpredictable. Transmission behavior settles and feels more aligned with driver input. Random electronic warnings become less frequent or disappear entirely. The most important improvement is predictability. Audi vehicles signal health through stability, not excitement. When systems stop compensating, components stop aging faster than necessary. Many owners overlook this recovery phase because nothing dramatic happens. There is no sudden performance boost and no obvious transformation. That is exactly the point. Healthy operation feels boring compared to compensated behavior. This is the stage where the vehicle quietly returns to operating as designed. Normal in this context does not mean restricted. It means balanced, efficient, and unstressed. Over time, this balance reduces the likelihood of cascading failures across multiple systems. Repair risk begins to drop even though the driving experience simply feels smooth and consistent again. This is how longevity is restored quietly, just like it was lost quietly.
Here is the insight most Audi owners never hear and rarely learn until it is too late. High repair costs are almost never caused by one failed component. They are caused by prolonged instability that forces many systems to age together under constant correction. When instability becomes normal, components lose margin simultaneously. That is why repair bills feel sudden and disproportionate. Remove that instability early and costs stop escalating. The cheapest Audi repair is the one you never trigger. Preventing systems from compensating is far more effective than reacting after they fail. This changes how you think about ownership. Instead of chasing problems after warning lights, you focus on maintaining an environment where systems can operate predictably. Once you understand this approach, the vehicle stops feeling fragile and starts feeling resilient. In the next episode, we will show how to recognize early compensation behavior using subtle signs any Audi owner can notice even without tools. Long before a warning light ever appears, giving you the ability to act before costs spiral out of control.